Ever feel like your kitchen tasks take way longer than they should? Struggling with messy food prep, slow cooking, hard-to-open cans, or tools that just don't work the way you need them to? You're definitely not alone. In today's video, we're counting down 10 AliExpress kitchen gadgets you'll want: smart, time-saving tools designed to make cooking faster, easier, and a lot more enjoyable. From solving everyday kitchen frustrations to helping you save time and effort, these gadgets might completely change the way you cook. So before your next kitchen upgrade, make sure you watch till the end. You might find your next must-have gadget. Product links in the description box. Number 10. Portable Automatic Can Opener. This portable automatic can opener is designed to make opening cans easier, faster, and safer for everyday kitchen use. Instead of struggling with traditional manual openers, this smart device automatically cuts around the lid with just one button press. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store in any kitchen drawer or carry during travel, camping, or outdoor cooking. The smooth edge cutting system helps reduce the risk of hand injuries while opening metal cans. It works with different can sizes, making it practical for daily cooking needs. Perfect for seniors, busy parents, or anyone who wants convenience in the kitchen. Number 9. 8PC BPA-free airtight food containers. These BPA-free airtight food containers are built to keep your food fresh, organized, and protected from moisture or air exposure. The set includes multiple container sizes, making it perfect for storing rice, pasta, snacks, cereals, spices, and dry ingredients. The airtight locking lids help maintain freshness for longer periods while preventing spills. Transparent body design lets you quickly see what's inside without opening the container. Made from food-grade materials, these containers are safe for everyday kitchen storage. Their stackable design helps save space inside cabinets or pantries while keeping your kitchen looking neat and organized. Number 8. Inkbird ISV 101W Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker. The Inkbird ISV 101W Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker brings professional cooking precision into your home kitchen. With smart Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor and control cooking settings directly from your smartphone. Its powerful 1000W heating system ensures even water circulation for perfectly cooked meat, seafood, vegetables, and more. The accurate temperature control helps preserve flavor, texture, and nutrients in every meal. The digital display and simple controls make operation easy for beginners and experienced cooks alike. With timer settings, preset recipes, and intelligent safety protection, this cooker delivers restaurant-quality results every time. Number 7. Pet Food Measuring Scoop. This digital pet food measuring scoop helps pet owners serve accurate food portions every day. It combines a scoop and digital scale in one smart design, making feeding easier and healthier for pets. The LCD display clearly shows weight measurements, helping you avoid overfeeding or underfeeding. It works perfectly for dry food, treats, grains, or supplements. Lightweight construction makes it easy to handle during daily feeding routines. The detachable scoop design also makes cleaning simple and convenient. Ideal for cats, dogs, and other household pets, this tool helps support better feeding control and pet health management. Number 6. Portable Foldable Basin. This portable foldable basin is a practical solution for kitchens, camping, travel, and outdoor cleaning tasks. Made from durable, flexible materials, it can easily fold flat for compact storage when not in use. It provides enough space for washing vegetables, fruits, dishes, or kitchen utensils. The lightweight construction makes it easy to carry anywhere. Its strong base and stable design allow comfortable daily use without collapsing during washing. Whether you need extra washing space in a small kitchen or a portable cleaning solution outdoors, this foldable basin offers convenience, durability, and space-saving functionality in one simple design. Number 5. Electric Milk Frother Cordless. This cordless electric milk frother helps you create cafe-style drinks at home in seconds. Whether you love cappuccino, latte, hot chocolate, or matcha, this frother creates smooth, creamy foam with minimal effort. The powerful motor spins quickly for rich and consistent frothing results. Its cordless design makes it convenient to use anywhere in the kitchen without cable limitations. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip during operation. Made with durable stainless steel whisk components, it is built for long-term use. Easy cleaning and compact storage make this a perfect everyday kitchen gadget for coffee lovers. Number 4. Rotary Spiralizer Vegetable Slicer. This rotary spiralizer vegetable slicer makes preparing healthy meals faster and more creative. It transforms vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, potatoes, and zucchini into spiral shapes, slices, or shredded cuts within seconds. The rotating handle design reduces effort while improving slicing consistency. Multiple blade options allow different cutting styles for salads, pasta alternatives, and decorative food presentation. Built with sharp stainless steel blades and durable materials, it ensures reliable performance. The suction base helps keep the slicer stable during use. Ideal for healthy cooking, meal prep, or creative kitchen presentations, this gadget adds convenience and versatility. Number 3. Automatic Hot Pot Frying Machine. This automatic hot pot frying machine combines smart cooking technology with multifunctional convenience. It allows you to fry, boil, simmer, or prepare hot pot meals using one compact appliance. Adjustable temperature controls help you cook different dishes with precision. The non-stick cooking surface reduces food sticking and makes cleanup much easier. Its portable design fits perfectly in small kitchens, dorm rooms, or office spaces. Built with safety protection and heat-resistant materials, it supports reliable everyday cooking. Whether preparing noodles, fried snacks, soups, or hot pot meals, this machine saves time and cooking effort. Number 2. Electric Can Opener. This electric can opener is designed to make can opening effortless and safe. With automatic one-touch operation, it removes lids quickly without requiring hand strength. The smooth edge cutting system helps prevent sharp metal edges, improving kitchen safety. Its compact body fits easily into kitchen drawers or shelves for convenient storage. Suitable for various sizes, it works well for everyday meal preparation. Built with durable materials and simple controls, it offers reliable performance for daily use. Ideal for seniors, people with weak grip strength, or anyone looking for easier kitchen tools. Number 1. Wireless Meat Thermometer. This wireless meat thermometer helps you cook meat with perfect accuracy every time. It provides real-time temperature monitoring through wireless connectivity, allowing you to track cooking progress without opening the oven, grill, or smoker. The smart temperature alerts help prevent overcooking or undercooking your food. Designed for steaks, chicken, turkey, barbecue, and other meats, it delivers reliable cooking results. The heat-resistant probe ensures durability during high-temperature cooking sessions. With app-based monitoring and accurate readings, this gadget brings professional-level cooking control to your kitchen or outdoor barbecue experience. And that wraps up our list of 10 AliExpress kitchen gadgets you'll want. Which gadget impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your favorite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gadget reviews and smart product discoveries. And if you want to check out any of these amazing kitchen tools, the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.